Today I'll be making French omelette. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Chukwueze family. Guess what I'm making today? Today I'll be making French omelette. So we are currently at Paris. We decided to make you new edition of omelette. Here I have mushroom, got some eggs, I've got bell pepper, some fresh cherry tomatoes, some cheese, and parsley. Please keep watching as I show you step by step on how to make this. I'll start by slicing my onion. Slicing the mushroom. My cherry tomatoes. Now it's bell pepper. And this is my parsley. My vegetables. Right now I've finished prepping the vegetables. Tiny bit of vegetable oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil. Here I'm just using sunflower oil. And then I'm adding a bit of butter as well. And make the mix. The skin, the top. Where are you watching from? This version of our YouTube channel is coming all the way from Paris. Please don't forget to support the Chukwueze's YouTube family by liking, commenting, and subscribing. So our returning subscribers, we love you so much. Thank you for always supporting our YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget to support our YouTube channel. Well, in goes the onion. The mushroom is going in. Look at that. That is the bell pepper. I love the three colors. The cherry tomatoes. Or you can use any seasoning of your choice and just add in a bit of salt and black pepper. Now the parsley is going in as well. So while my vegetable is frying, so I'll just crack the eggs. So I've got 6 eggs here. Right, now set this aside and place another pan for the egg. So I'll be adding a pinch of salt to the egg. I don't want to add too much salt. Tiny bit of sunflower oil. I'll be adding butter as well. Yeah, I want to give a big shout out to my big sister, Sister Tina, that showed me this recipe. I previously made omelette in a different way, but this is my new recipe. I'm excited to share with you guys. Please keep watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Right. Right, make sure that once the egg needs to be cooked in a very low heat, and you keep doing this so ensure it's evenly cooked or fried. Right, now it's time to reintroduce the vegetable.
Okay. Cool.
Right, the cheese is going in. Be very generous with your cheese. Right, be generous with your cheese. However, if you do not like cheese, you can omit it. I love cheese. Right, the cheese has melted. Just adding a bit of parsley. Wow, look at that. Our French omelette is ready. Where are you watching from? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.